Okay, we're going to go through a quick stretch for the lats, and I kind of like the standing child pose, mainly because the kneeling one, I kind of get to the point where my face hits the floor and I can't go any further, but standing I can go a little bit deeper and go a little bit further down. So what you want to do is stand square onto a high platform. So here I'm using a Smith machine, you could do a bar and a rack, you can use a windowsill, whatever, that kind of gets your hands at about hip height, or maybe even a little bit higher if you want to. So hands on your platform and then push the hips backwards, okay? From that point, dip the head between the arms, and it can help to try and round the back off a touch. You're trying to push the armpits down to the floor whilst leaning backwards slightly. And for me, anyway, I can feel that hit my lats quite a bit better than doing kneeling on the floor. Hope that helps you as well. Let me know. Enjoy the stretch.